Hello everyone, I am Rahul Goyal. Today I am presenting my project Ultrasonic Distance Sensor, which I make the online simulator Tinkercad. As you the coronavirus global pandemic, the social distancing is very one of the most important thing to reduce the spread of the virus. Uh, as I am trying to implement the social distancing alarm alert. Uh, Arduino Uno board and the ultrasonic distance sensor, new pixel ring, the Piaggio buzzer, and the small breadboard, which I implement the social distance alarm alert. I am connect the ultrasonic distance sensor trigger pin is connected to the Arduino Uno board of digital pin 5, and the echo pin is connected to the digital pin of 6 for Arduino Uno board, and the digital pin is 3 is connected to the new pixel ring of input. When the digital pin of 2 Arduino Uno board is connected to the Piaggio buzzer, and the 5 volt is connected to the breadboard, and the ground is connected to the 5 volt, and both of the wire is connected to the this chain to provide the 5 volt and the ground. The BCC ultrasonic BCC is connected to the 5 volt, and the ground is connected to the buzzer negative pin, and the power of power of the new pixel ring is connected to the 5 volt, and the ground is connected to the ground. mm, uh, the help of this wire. Uh, let's begin to the coding part. I am First of all I am include the Adafruit new pixel.h library for is required to the simulate of the all of the above code. I am First of all I am initialize the some variable LED pin is 3 to implement the new pixel ring input, and the number of LED is 12, and the buzzer pin is 2, and echo pin is 6, and trigger pin is connected to the 5, and the distance of the ultrasonic distance sensor measure from 100 to 300. Then the next part of the code is a word setup, pin mode, buzzer pin, and the buzzer pin is to connected to the output of the uh, Piaggio buzzer. If the if the distance is less than the minimum required of the social distancing, the buzzer is activated, and the trigger pin is output for the social distancing measure of the distance, and the echo pin is input act as a input for the distance measure ultrasonic distance sensor. The next part of the our code is word loop. If the number of LEDs below 12, the Piaggio buzzer is activated, and the Piaggio buzzer glue to the social alarm alert. And the number of LEDs less than 12, the Piaggio buzzer is deactivated, and no alarm is activated. The new pixel ring is number of new pixel ring LED is 12. The group of 3 of 4 LED. If the number of LED globe 1 to 4 is green, and the 4 to 8 is yellow, and the 4 to 8 to 12 is red. Strip dot color is represent the brightness level of the LED, and you can see the LED number of LED to glow, and the LED number is defined for the strip color dot 000. Is this the number of LED to glow, and the number color of the LEDs. On the into Kelsey distance is the function of the measure of the distance. When the trigger pin is low, the time duration of delay is the 2 microsecond, and the trigger pin is high, and the distance measure is the max distance and minimum distance, mm, to map to number of LED to glow is represented by the mapping of the distance, maximum distance, and minimum distance, and LED. As you can see, the line of the serial dot print LED to glow to see the output of number of LED segmenter and serial printer, and then distance is represent the C output of the serial monitor. Let's go through the simulation part. As you can see, when the ball is out of the range, the number of LED 1 is glow always. As you can see, but when distance is uh, change one by one, the number of the distance is reduced, the distance is lesser, the number of LED glow to increase one by one. And as you can see, the when the distance is less than the minimum distance of social distancing, the buzzer is activated and the buzzer is glow, and you can see. And a person who carry the ultrasonic distance sensor and the he 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 go he away from the other person who the number of LEDs glow one by one, as you can see. In the serial monitor, it indicate the distance and the number of LED glow. That's all for my code and the simulation part. Thanks to all.